Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Happy Canada Day! So for today's recipe, we decided to show you how to make these delicious strawberry parfaits. So for this recipe, you're going to need strawberries, granola, strawberry yogurt, plain yogurt, and strawberry puree. So you're going to start off by cutting your strawberries into slices like so. After that, you can go ahead and assemble your parfait with all these ingredients. So for the base, we decided to use strawberry puree. Followed by plain yogurt. And we layered the plain yogurt on top with homemade granola. And on top of that, we put our strawberry yogurt. Now, if you don't have strawberry yogurt, you can easily make it just by mixing together some regular yogurt with strawberry puree or strawberry flavoring. Then we just decorated with some sliced strawberries and some strawberry syrup, but this is obviously optional. And that's it, you're done. This is so healthy, so good for you, and also so delicious, and it matches the theme of Canada Day. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.